When the thermostat set point is met or within 1 degree, the heat pump alone should run and auxiliary heat should step out so the system runs efficiently. A heat pump provides most of the heating by moving heat rather than creating it, so when room temperature is at or nearly at the set point, the system uses its lower capacity stage only, cycling the compressor in short, controlled runs to maintain temperature without invoking supplemental heat. To keep the heat pump as the primary source, set the thermostat to a tight differential of 1 degree and avoid large set point jumps which force auxiliary or emergency heat to engage. Regularly clean or replace filters and keep outdoor unit coils clear so the heat pump can achieve its rated output and avoid low temperature pressure trips that trigger backup heat. Check thermostat wiring and configuration to ensure staging is programmed so that auxiliary heat is locked out until the compressor cannot keep up, typically below a user-defined threshold or after extended runtime without reaching set point. Use a temperature glide strategy by raising or lowering set point slowly to prevent continuous cycling. A 1 degree setback per hour reduces compressor short cycling while preserving comfort. When diagnosing comfort problems, compare indoor probe readings to thermostat readings and inspect for drafts or poor insulation that force auxiliary cycles despite the heat pump running nominally. Homeowners commonly see 3 issues. First, frequent auxiliary heat engagement because the thermostat differential is too wide or filters and coils are dirty. Fix this by tightening differential settings and performing maintenance on filters and outdoor coils. Second, short cycling, when the heat pump reaches set point quickly, then shuts off and restarts. Mitigate by increasing the minimum runtime setting in the thermostat or allowing a slight wider recovery window to reduce compressor wear. Third, perceived uneven comfort when the heat pump is within 1 degree but rooms feel cold due to airflow or insulation problems. Solve this by balancing vents, checking duct leakage, and adding insulation or zoning adjustments so that the heat pump load matches the space. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to heating efficiency and control. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share real-world experiences, troubleshooting tips, and recommendations.